Good morning, guys. This is the next day actually. So
So
we have reached yesterday, and we attended the musical event, and had a dinner, and then spent a time with the musicians, and then we came back, and we were so tired that we actually slept. So today we woke up at around 11 again, 11 a.m.
yeah, and now directly
And
we're
now
going for
after
lunch.
getting
we
up
don't
ready,
know restaurant.
we are going for lunch. Let's see which
Restaurant and we have
restaurants
not
are
researched
there
also.
available. So yeah, and we will be exploring some of the nearby places as well today. So this will be the continuation of the yesterday's vlog mostly. So we will see how we can explore the things. So we are now.
So the reception person has told us that there is one famous restaurant like a Khanavar here. So that is very walkable distance from where we are staying. So we are heading towards that restaurant, Khanavar. So this is
आता वर पट्टा असं लोकल कसा
है ना.
हा.
So we have seen that, but we have not liked it. So we are
We are going at somewhere else, right over there. Naka.
not. So,
There is also restaurant over here. We want proper. We don't want to waste something.
yeah, because now we are so hungry and we don't want to disturb our
We want to have
digestion.
proper food. So we'll see. So we are now searching for the restaurants online. Let's see. But she can find the best restaurants online.
I am like seeing only vibes of the restaurant first, how it is. I don't know about food. Because food we can't judge, no? Inside how it will be. Still, I'm seeing the reviews.
Hello. We found one hotel, Hotel Brindavan. We are going into that for lunch and brunch. It is waiting over here. Restaurant is full packed. And we are waiting for.
We are waiting here. I have heard from someone that this hotel is good. And searched and came. Let's see how it is.
So we finally got sitting in this restaurant.
It's not like only reserved for 2 or 4 people. You can sit anywhere. It is like that. So we are written in Kannada. So actually, we don't know what are the recipes. We only know masala dosa and all. There are many idli, vada.
पूरी भाजी है. कौन सी है भाजी?
Bonda.
ये पूरी भाजी में भाजी सब्जी कौन सी है? कुरमा.
तो एक इडली मसाला डोसा है
एक पूरी भाजी दे दो और एक मसाला डोसा दे दो. 2 चाय पहले लेके आओ.
और ये Veg bonda. Sham time.
ठीक है, 2 चाय पहले लेके आओ.
So I have found here two recipes which are very different from Goa. One is girmit. In Goa we call it as bhed. So this is the one. And one is PUDD. I don't know if you can see. So it's pudda. So that is allappe.
ನಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಐತೆ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು 어디 가서 딱 다르다. 어떤 이거 못 말리려 그래. बड़ा बात है.
So I think we have searched. So I think we have searched for a good one. Tea only we can tell. Rest of the recipes we have to try. Sound it and South Indian. Masala dosa. Oh wow.
It's actually nice. 하나로 해주다. So the food was nice. Actually, we found some good hotel.
No, I have observed one person was speaking about this restaurant yesterday in the program. That's why we are able to find this.
Yes, it was
So
Hotel Vrindavan in Dharwad.
So you should praise me.
Yes, of course. You are the Annapurna. So I finally got a pollution control with emission testing center over here. So yeah, we are doing emission testing of our car, but it's important when you travel. So done with the pollution control certification. So we are now worry free.
So just now we have checked out. So it's now 5:44 p.m. and now we are heading towards.
We are not sure where we are going
Yeah.
now. We
It's just
want to
exploration.
exploring right now. But before that, we will have
Some
food in
food
the same hotel.
in the same hotel that is Vrindavan because we don't want to.
With that hotel was better.
Yeah, we
And
don't
then we will
want to
decide where
experiment
to
with
go.
our digestion.
Then we will decide where to go.
Yes.
So this was an update.
So now we are planning to go towards Dandeli. In between, Sahil was not feeling well, So he is craving for fizzy drink. So I've given him jeera soda.
Feeling better now.
Yes, and also I've taken some of the Ayurveda medications from nearby Ayurveda pharmacy, and
So guys, we have changed the plan. We didn't felt like going to Dandeli, so we are going to now Murdeshwar because she liked the Murdeshwar place and she was going without intention to Dandeli because it was close by. So simply going to Dandeli because it's close does not matter. So we will be going to now Murdeshwar from Hubli, from not Hubli, from this thing, Dharwad, and we'll see the Shankar statue of the big Shankar statue, and then maybe while coming to Goa, from Murdeshwar to Gokarna and Gokarna to Goa, like that we can do. So yeah, this is the plan now. So stay tuned. This will be a very interesting thing. So we have now took a halt as we saw a Mishra Peda over here, and maybe since it is 7:15 p.m. so we might take a dinner over here and go. Luckily we are having umbrella inside our car because it's already raining and the weather is beautiful right now. So yeah, we will be having some food. So there is a system. Here we have to take the coupon and then go the respective counters to take the food. So
again I am eating here masala dosa because I can't digest any other food item.
And we feel this is the safest one which we like right now. And I took this what is this? Jeera soda. Yes. So we took Dharwad, Peda and Kunda to take home. As we have traveled to Dharwad, so something has to be taken for home. So it's night right now and we might not make any vlog unless and until we in the on the way we may take a halt for something to watch. So yeah, we will meet you most probably after reaching Murdeshwar. Okay, so till then you stay tuned in this vlog. Background. So guys, there is a Siddharut temple in Hubli. So we have come here to take the devotion of him. So we will take the darshan and we will meet you after this. So there is So we were just exploring these shops. So we took the darshan of Son Lord Siddharud and we are now going to Mahabaleshwar. Right?
Nah.
Sorry, Murdeshwar it is. So I'm always getting confused in Mahabaleshwar and Murdeshwar. So we are going at Murdeshwar right now. So it's almost 9:15 p.m. Okay, and the route from here is around 4.5 hours or 5 hours. So if we leave now, so almost 1 to 2. Yeah, if we take break then 2, else at 1 we will be reaching. So yeah. So guys, let's wind this vlog. So we enjoyed today in Hubli, Dharwad, and yeah. So let's start the new vlog tomorrow at Murdeshwar. So we are refilling right now the fuel. Actually the fuel capacity was 370 kilometer there reaching, but 200 kilometer is the distance. So for safety reasons we are refilling the fuel. Okay. So yes, chalo, bye bye, good night, have a nice day, see you in the next vlog.